What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before I get started, please subscribe, please share, please like, or don't like, I don't care. Please subscribe though, that's the most important thing. So today I'm headed to the Toyota dealership. I did a review the other day on my wife's car. Not really a review per se, like, hey, here's all the features and all that kind of stuff, but more or less what our opinion of the car has been, the car being our 2018 Camry. But one of our main gripes, probably our only really gripe other than, the power, engine power, it's adequate, yeah, but whatever. You've seen the video or you haven't seen the video. But anyway, if you haven't, go watch it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Sorry, I'm trying to watch traffic here. So anyway, our main gripe was that really crud ball infotainment system that the car came with. So I posted the video, and shortly after that, somebody put a comment on there that they thought that Toyota was offering to upgrade or update that infotainment system for Apple CarPlay and maybe Android Auto. I'm not sure. I'm not really worried about that. We're Apple family. We have all Apple stuff. So anyway, my wife did some digging around and then called the local Toyota dealership, and they said, yeah, we'll do that absolutely free of charge to update your 2018 Camry to Apple CarPlay. So what that entails, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be a whole new operating system for that screen, or if it's just a little icon, for Apple CarPlay. I'm not sure. But anyway, she made an appointment, and today is Friday. I don't know what day it is. Let's look at the other. Friday, June 12th, 2020, and she made an appointment this morning for at the Toyota dealership to get that updated. So that's where we're headed. She's already left because she wanted to stop by and get a protein shake or something for breakfast. And as usual, I'm running late, so she left before me. And we're headed to the Toyota dealership right now to drop the car off. I don't know how much filming they're going to let me do in there. We'll see. But anyway, yeah. So we'll see you there. All right, here we are at the Toyota dealership. Let's go in here and see what we can find out. Okay, so we dropped it off, and what the guy explained to me was they just plug in with a USB, and yeah, I think it seems like they take off the iTunes or Intune or whatever that one is. They wipe that off, and then they put the Apple CarPlay on in place of it. So it's going to be, he said, about 2 or 3 hours. So we'll see when we get back, and we'll take a look at it. So I'm waiting for my wife to come back with the car, but here's our little Mud Martin babies. There's 4 of them. There's the mom. She's worried that I'm going to get her babies, but they make a little nest here on our porch every year. I don't know if it's the same birds that come back, but we just leave the nest up, and usually I only have 1 or 2, but this year they have 4. So anyway, I'm going to get out of the way and let mom get back to feeding these babies. Okay, so she's back. My wife's back from the dealership. I've got her phone out here. As you can see right here, it says no phone connected. I'm gonna plug her phone in. Give me just a second. Right now her phone's plugged in. Apple CarPlay, look at that. It automatically does it. Go back here. And there it is. So now we have Apple CarPlay in the Toyota, and it's pretty responsive. And there's a tiny delay, but yeah, overall, maps, go back there, phone, go back there, music, I don't know what music she's got on here, but so yeah, Pandora, her Waze app, everything. So yeah, we're good to go, and really happy now. It's going to make the car a lot more enjoyable. So the Toyota dealership did not charge us anything for this. I think on the invoice it showed like $40 something. but then they zeroed out the charge. So yeah, anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you've got one of these cars and you don't have Apple CarPlay on it, I highly suggest you call your local Toyota dealership and see what they can do for you. So hope this was helpful. Y'all have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and help the channel grow, and like the video, please. Thanks. Have a great day.